Hello traders, in this video we are looking at the Supertrend Scanner Indicator for MT4 and MT5. This tool plots a color-coded supertrend line directly on the price chart, making it easy to see when conditions are bullish or bearish based on the supertrend calculation. At this point I'll load the indicator on the charts so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports, and there we have it. The Supertrend Scanner plots a single line that follows price action directly on the main chart, switching color as the trend changes. In bullish conditions, the line appears in green and typically runs below price, while in bearish conditions, the line switches to red and usually runs above price, implying that the market is in a downtrend and that sellers dominate. Each time the line flips from green to red or red to green, the chart shows a potential shift in directional bias, giving you a clear at a glance read of trend phases without cluttering the screen. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look at what we have. Alright, the core settings of the Supertrend Scanner are NBR periods and multiplier, which control how the line is calculated from price and its volatility. MBR periods defines the look-back period used in the calculation, influencing how quickly the super trend reacts to changes in price. The multiplier determines how far the line is offset from price based on volatility, often using ATR, with higher values creating a wider buffer and fewer flips, and lower values making the line more sensitive and closer to price. As for who is for, the Super Trend Scanner is suited to traders who want a simple visual trend filter that stays on the price chart and clearly shows whether conditions are currently bullish or bearish. It is a trend following lagging indicator and can flip frequently or give false impressions in choppy, sideways, or highly volatile markets, especially with very low settings. As always, it should be used alongside other tools like support and resistance, price action, and risk management rather than as a standalone signal generator. The download link is in the description below. You can read the full Supertrend Scanner MT4 article, including more detail on how Supertrend works, how to choose MBR periods and multiplier values, and practical usage tips at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.